Hi everybody, this is Libby from Ditch the Carbs, and today is our 5-minute low carb tips, and we have got Dr. Mae here today.
Kia ora.
And she is going to tell us all about how to go low carb with family and whānau.
So I think a really good way to start, especially over the festive season, is thinking about, sugary things that you could remove from that's usually on your festive table, and fizzy drinks is always a really good place to start.
Yep.
So getting a fizzy drink alternative, you can get soda water, there's water drops that have stevia instead of sugar, and they wouldn't even know that that's not in the name.
Yeah.
So just that would be a really good way to reduce a significant amount of sugar intake during your Christmas feasting, and then just thinking about removing a bit of the sugary stuff out as well. That's a really good place to start.
Yeah.
You don't necessarily need to jump in the diving. You can just dip your little toes in and see how your Christmas can actually be happier.
Yeah.
Because you don't feel sick and bloated from eating a whole lot of sugar.
Exactly. And if people still want some sort of the old staples, then they can have some, but just a little bit less.
Just a little bit. Just
so
a taste
enjoy
of
some
it.
things, but
Yeah. So fill up on the low sugar stuff first. Make that the majority of your plate, and then as a little treat, maybe in a cup of tea later on, you could have a taste of them.
Yeah. And you're having great result with your patients, aren't you?
Awesome results, and they just feel good.
They
It's
do.
More important than any weight loss. They feel amazing. They've got energy for their family after they come home from work. So it's definitely more than just weight loss. It's feeling good.
And I always say, ditch the carbs and get your life back.
Absolutely.
And it's like when people find low carb eating and nutrition, it's like freedom, because they suddenly realise that there's things they no longer want to have as opposed to can't have, and somebody's telling them they can't have it, and they suddenly have this fabulous nutritious lifestyle. They feel amazing.
Beautiful.
Their mood, they're doing things they want to do as opposed to what they can do.
And the food is beautiful.
Yeah.
We get so focused on missing out on bread and rice, but actually when you go low carb, you realise that so many of those things have no flavour.
No,
Just
banish the beige.
Exactly. They're just plate fillers, beautiful steak or vegetables. It's asparagus season.
Yeah.
Weird smelling pea for a little time. But asparagus wrapped in prosciutto and butter and all the things that
pulled
taste
pork,
good.
everything.
Can't do much better than a diet like that, can you?
And there's no deprivation, is there?
No deprivation.
We live like kings.
Mm-hmm. There's no starvation. I can't remember the last time I was actually properly hungry.
No, we just want to eat because we like it.
Yes.
So that's another one of our 5-minute tips, and for more tips, go and see us at ditchthecarbs.com. Okay, bye.
Merry Christmas!